Hi, I'm Cindy with Legacy Woodworking. Recently, I decided to do a closet insert project for my daughter for Christmas. I am completely new to the cabinet making environment, and so I asked Michael Samarza if he would help me learn the Cabinet Sense software and walk me through the design process. I was able to do that by just going to his website and scheduling an appointment. And if you're interested in that, you could go to his website, just look at the information down below. My project included 6 different cabinets for the closet, and I was able to pick the wood out. It was just really fun. But that also meant I had to do a video. So hello, I'm doing a video. My husband's honey-do list is really long, and I knew I could never get this done unless I tackled this on my own. I learned a lot, and I was amazed at what the machine could do again. I've used the machines before, but I haven't been on them for a long time. And it was just a great experience to get back making sawdust. So come along and see what a working mom with little woodworking experience can do with just a little bit of help from a Legacy CNC machine.
After measuring, I determined the amount of space needed for hanging both long and short clothing, shoe storage, shelving, and drawers. I then did a concept sketch with rough measurements. As a complete rookie, I needed help. Michael Samarza of West Oak Studios helped me install, set up, and use Cabinet Sense. Michael was awesome. What's super cool about his process is the access you gain to his extensive knowledge of cabinet making and his pre-made library of cabinetry components and hardware. If you're interested in learning more about Cabinet Sense software, just drop Michael an email at michael@westoakstudios.com and be sure to visit his website at www.westoakstudios.com. The next step involves importing Cabinet Sense files into Aspire to nest the parts and program the toolpaths. Once again, Michael was invaluable in walking me through this process. I loved the printable sheet processing pages with each part clearly labeled with the name and edge banding location. What I found helpful was a list of tools with their corresponding station numbers listed at the top of the G-code. It was another way to make sure my machine setup was correct. I chose to use a darker melamine. I purchased the 3/4 and 1/4 sheets from a local supplier with matching edge banding. All cutters were purchased from Magnate. They have a cabinet making router bit package designed to Michael's specifications, which made purchasing bits a breeze. You can buy them online at www.magnate.net or give them a call at 1-800-827-2316. I knew it was important to use the proper feed and speeds. Michael had already programmed that information into the Toolpath templates used in Aspire. Wow! Talk about making my life easier. I used the sheet processing sheets to identify and mark each part as they came off the CNC.
Well, we've just finished cutting all the project parts. And so in the next video, we're going to be putting together the cabinets and doing the assembly work, and we'll follow that with the final video of actually installing the project. Oh, we'll see you in the next video.